levels have been included in the section editor to allow users to specify a minimum height and width of each shoe section. This can be controlled per interior opening for much greater flexibility. Cabinet Vision then automatically adds the correct number of horizontal and vertical dividers to each opening based on the minimum given sizes. Each section is automatically parametric, meaning it can be easily resized and redefined just like any other opening. New options to allow custom horizontal and vertical slats have been seamlessly integrated into the door section editor, allowing for truly unique door designs ready to manufacture. Simply input your desired slat width and then choose between a fixed or optimal spacing. Each panel has its own independent properties to give you complete control over your technical door design. As the demand for custom cabinetry becomes more and more granular, the need for control at assembly level becomes paramount. You can now use the power of the Assembly Manager to redefine your entire construction method from the assembly level section editor. fully harness the power of the section editor, users can now redefine material schedules per assembly.